Get in, let's go. Yeah, she wanna ride with the damn boss. I told her go down like a drop top. These kilowatts blow socks off. Okay, so what? She wanna ride with the damn boss. Free head back when I take off. These kilowatts blow socks off. Okay, so what? She wants to ride for the clout, then opens her mouth and I shoot it down south. Park at the bay, treat my shit like it's Kenny. She loves it iron, she's calling it Fetty. Okay, boss moves, 15k on her costumes. That bitch slayed on a lot, dude. Better look both ways when she cross you, yeah. Body inclined when we ride. Suicide doors in the vice, feel them right. Penthouse 4, hit it twice in a night. Leaving her all, then we stare at the sky, that's right. Feeling as high as a kite, but she's fake. Living it up and she lies to your face. What they say at the end of the day, she's gonna be good, so I say she can. She's fucking me good, so I say she can stay. Yeah, she wanna ride with the damn boss. I told her go down like a drop top. These kilowatts play socks.
Righto guys, we are chilling in the Hunter. It's the Hunter Region Street Machines monthly car meet. We'll get around and have a look at a few cars. Seen this one many times. Always excited to see it. It's gorgeous. The beast. Used to have a whole lot of Hot Wheels stuff on it, but they've obviously taken all that off. Yeah, very nice car. Gorgeous Camaro. Love the interior. The BA Falcon in the Acid Rush. It's like a goldy colour. I had one almost the same colour, or was the same colour many years ago. Clubby. LS1 in there. Stagia. XY. Absolutely love these things. Blue one next to it. Couple of Commodores. Love the big old Bel Air. Solid smoothies on there. Gorgeous. V6 in the EH. It's different. Very cool. Skyline. It's quite a nice car. Rotor RX-7. Little 13B titties, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Steve's car, been in this one, absolute ripper. Flies this thing, really fast car. It's been doing a lot of drag racing in it. Down at the creek I've been seeing on Facebook, going really well. Tonner, a little bit of exposed nipple on this titties. Everyone loves a hole in the bonnet. Very cool. The Kingswood wagon. Beautiful, love those weld wheels on it. Very nice. GT 500. Very cool. And next to it, this is one of my personal favourites. I love this thing. Look at that. What a blower. Big Predator. I love this thing. She's an absolute beast. I was talking to the owner the other day there. I was in Hunter Valley Performance. He came in and I said, mate, I reckon I'd fit in this. And he said, I reckon you would too. So I reckon, I don't know about you guys, whether you agree, but I reckon that's my invitation for a run in it. See if he agrees. But yeah, I love this thing. Absolute beast. There's the old wagon. What a weapon. Gorgeous old girl. The lumpy thing, early levers, the Torrey, a good looking car. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to twist it or not. I don't have my Beetle anymore, it's gone, but I might have something very similar to this looking that I can get on the channel and bring out to a car meet soon. So we'll see if I can organise that. Yeah, she's a cool old girl. As is this, the surfboard's on the top. The old Falcon wagon. Look at this. It's like something you'd see in a bloody wind up the Venetians or something. Another bug. It's a cool old girl. Sun's in a terrible spot, getting all the worst shadows. Couple of late model utes. Beautiful old wagon here. Gorgeous. Hearing a lot of motors starting up. It's the problem, you know, people they'll come to these things and they leave early. And they'll say, oh, my car wasn't in the video. That's why, you left early. 5 Series wagon. It's actually pretty cool. Another Beetle. I swear if you're in the Hunter Valley, Beetle's the thing to have. This is cool. Filling his toys. Brian with his HQ behind him. Hey mate. Beautiful old Corona. All original. What a beast. Good sound to it. Absolutely love this Beetle. Have a go at it. What a weapon. And the way it's been cleared over the patina, it just looks awesome. Big rack on the back, airbagged all around. This thing is cool. Of course I'm on the bloody wrong side with all the shadows. There we go, look at that. Hey, how cool. What a weapon. Love this Chevy, that's gorgeous. And you got the old, what's this, a 34 Chevy Roadster. That's gorgeous too. What a cool car. How good is that? Just going to keep talking over the top here because we've got the music in the background as well. Could even sing along for you if you want, but nobody wants that. Not much of a musician. We'll keep going. We've got a late model Commodore, another Chevy, big old 4-door Bel Air, left hook. That's gorgeous. Then we've got the snack pack. Got Matty and Jack's VL Commodore. It's a VL Commodore Turbo, bro. We've got the snack pack in there. And yeah, he's got his new plates on there, the snack pack. So yeah, beautiful car this. It's the big old hubcap style wheels. Love this car, it's absolutely gorgeous. And another Commodore, what's that, a VZ? Calais. Can't call him a Commodore because you get in trouble. Yeah, Calais. Also for sale, 18 grand. Oh my god, now we're talking, Habibi. We've got the Gemini, it's got the chromies on there, bro. Oh, look at this cars. Oh my god, am I saying it right? No, this is really cool. This is sort of like my era, you know, the whole sex spec thing. And when I was a kid, this was the style. This is awesome. I quite like it. What a cool old thing. Bring back chromies, I say. Shiny big titties in there. Beautiful. Almost the same colour as my car. Similar. The airbrush in the shadows. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then we've got Phil's new car. What do you reckon, Phil? You liking it?
Oh yeah, it's good. The only thing that pisses me off is the E85.
Is it only E85 or is it flex fuel?
No, it's the E85.
Straight E85. So it's a 355 with a turbo.
Yeah.
Walkinshaw top end. This is cool. Those wheels are very. Oh my god, you lay. Hey? Oh my god, look at those wheels. Hey?
Get it going, mate.
Oh, I like it. No, I like it. This is cool. Leave it how it is. Leave the Star Corps on there. This is cool. Look at the interior. This is cool. Hey, look across there. Look at that shirt. That's a cool shirt, mate.
This has got one too.
Oh, yeehaw. Hey. Hell yeah. What do we got in the boot? I was waiting for a bloody boot install. Phil, what's going on here? No boot installs. You just have to get in the bloody chairs out, leave the boot open. I got excited. I thought we were going to see some sick, mate, sick subwoofers. Oh, I'm going to stop with the Lebo stuff now. EJ. We'll send this. Yeah, I'll break your mirror. I'll break your nose too if you keep going. Love the EJ. I'm walking away. I'm scared. We've seen the EJ before. I drove this on Australia Day. Took it into Newcastle. Beautiful car. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got the subtle flames in the paint. Love this car. Gorgeous. And then, of course, Brian's HQ, which was also in that video. Gorgeous car. Very cool. Very cool. All right, give us a look at this shirt. Have a go at that. We've got the Jadamo crop top. Hell yeah. How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew and
Sam.
Sam.
Hi.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for the support.
Always. Good job.
Cheers.
Head to the merch store and grab some clothes.
Bye, Phil. Turtles. Love the EJ in the sun. There goes Brian. Bye, Brian.
This is my favourite one.
This is your favourite? You like Brian's? The BA. Now, we wouldn't know it, but I've had Maya here the whole time because she's been really well behaved, haven't you? She's been on her best behaviour. We'll get this one on over here because we didn't see it, and then we're going to get going. We've got the Statesman, all the airbrush. Hard with the shadows here, but try and get on the other side of the shadow. Here we go. Oh, Maya got in the shadow. That's all right. That looks really cool, but I like that. True flame. Anyway, we'll get going. Rightio, so this beautiful old Chev. This one got car of the meet, car of the month, or whatever you want to call it. Gorgeous car. Gorgeous. And a couple that have come in since us being here that we haven't seen. This yellow one. We've also got this Tommy Mackinnon edition Evo. I've seen this before. Beautiful car. We'll get him in the video. How good does that look? It's got the white Enkies. Very, very nice car. Absolutely gorgeous. There you go, looks like a black car from this angle. Can't even see any shine. Watch this, we'll go over here. We'll start, still black, still black, still black. Oh, there's the gold. What do you reckon? See the gold? You've been really good, mate. Thank you. She's been on her best behaviour, but yeah, we'll get out of here. So that was the Hunter Region Street Machines monthly meet. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. I know I say it every time. I sound like a bloody 14-year-old girl when I do it. Oh, look at the shine. Sorry, that was just me tism. Getting excited, but yeah. Oh. But every like, every subscribe, every follow, watch, all that stuff, it all counts. You know, I do this as a living now, so appreciate everyone that comes up to me, says g'day. and buy us merch. You know, 2 shirts at this show. That's awesome. Thank you guys. And we're off to a Honda meet in the morning in Rhondda. So you're not coming?
No.
You're at Nans. I'm off to a Honda meet. So stay tuned for that. That'll be the next video. And then All Japanese Day in Newcastle also in the Honda. So Rhondda, she's getting a bit of a workout. Yeah. Anyway, see you in the next video.